We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
So we are donating all those bags, our stuff there, donating to the local charity here in town. Getting ready. Aye.
The heavy lifter.
Part that we've been going through, checking out all the different things, trying to empty the cupboard, you know, like, I don't know if you guys are like me, you just kind of buy stuff and then you're not sure why you have it and nobody eats it and it just stays there. So we are going to use some of this stuff up. It's messy. Sorry, it's not always that messy. Well, it actually kind of is, but okay, that was messy using one hand. But anyways, this is one thing I wish I could put in my suitcase. Hey. So yeah. So I'm doing this, going through the stuff and trying to decide. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just putting all the stuff I want to bring in here. And then after that, if I need to downsize even more, I'm going to do that too. So I'm just taking a moment to honor my beautiful fridge and magnets that I have collected from my travels. They are going to be packed and stored away, my most beautiful memories with my most beautiful people. I just want to show you guys, look, here is another email, you know, flight is getting changed. It always is on the same day and just different times and stuff, which is awesome, but it keeps coming,
And I'm using Duolingo. I currently still have infinite lives, so now's the time to do it.
How do you have infinite lives? Are you subscribed to the thing still?
Till the 25th of February.
Oh yeah, sneaky, sneaky. He doesn't have to worry about mistakes.
Not yet.
Oh no, my hand is on the microwave. Microphone. Yeah. We're obviously not awake. We're like 6 in the morning.
Best time to learn for me is when I first wake up, because that seems to be when my brain soaks up the most information.
For me, except for when I say things like microwave when I mean microphone. One thing that I wanted to mention is if you take notice to the color scheme, you know, the shades and tones that I like. Yeah, I think you'll see our first place that we will be, which is in Cancun, Mexico. That area we rented. It's a 2-bedroom condo in a gated community. It has very similar colors. And yeah, just wanted to mention that. Hello. It's so beautiful. The Canadian geese are coming home. They're coming home as I'm leaving. Look way back there too. Going through all my notebooks, obviously I'm a writer, and here's all of our planning for our last road trip that we had in Europe, all the different places I wanted to visit. We didn't get to Poland or Romania. We did Hungary. What else is here?
So yeah, on my new all singing and all dancing laptop, which I'm so happy about.
What did you put in it? Beautiful. What did you get installed in it again? What do you call it? Solid state drive?
500 gigabyte Samsung solid state drive, plus an extra 4 gig of RAM to boost me up to 8 gig.
He's in the real world now.
I'm very happy.
I'm just taking a moment to honor the TV, and it's just part of the process of moving and changing and letting go of material things. But yeah, so I just wanted to film this because I feel like I probably haven't been filming enough. So bye-bye TV. We're going to miss you. Okay. 10 days, people.
10 days.
10 days, and then what the heck? We'll be in Quebec.
We will. Almost less than double figures. Very close.
So we have one night in Quebec where we're going to be staying in a hotel and getting our COVID tests, and then we'll be flying out. Getting there.
Mexico, here we come.
Bye for now, guys. I say awesome sauce a lot, and so this is hot sauce and mayo for dipping French fries. Yummy food. So Leon brought it to me and he's like, this is awesome sauce, and it's in the shape of a Canadian maple leaf. Look at that. How sweet is that?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
let's do the reveal.
Ages. This is the Samsung Ultra S21. Look at that beauty.
Can't see anything but black.
Just black, yeah.
That's
And this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is
Oh, come on now, people.
backwards.
That's how it is. That's how they put it in the box. We have had many debates and disagreements about
Yeah.
over iPhone and Samsung products and politics. Absolutely, for
Yeah.
sure. But yeah, so this phone is
It
beautiful.
happens.
We just figured it was a worthwhile investment. We needed to upgrade. We wanted some good gear for filming for YouTube and
Mm-hmm.
for not even just for filming for YouTube, for creating memories for ourselves and for our family throughout our journey. So there we have it. I took the drawers out of a dresser and I was walking around with my mask on in the house because someone was here and I couldn't see like my peripheral vision. I was like, couldn't see what was like right below my feet because we had just taken the drawers out and I tripped on it and really hurt myself. What do they say? No pain, no gain.
My exercise.
Are you gonna miss this? Doing this after a long day?
Yeah, well, it's good to get the steps in. Who needs a gym, eh?
Yeah,
What do you think of my job?
I think that's a pretty darn good job. Yeah, it's just really kind of surreal to be sitting here at home during the last few days, enjoying my Budweiser, seeing our space like diminish, selling all of our different things, and yeah, it's really kind of surreal to think that, you know, this is going to be our journey soon. Final Canadian breakfast at our favorite little breakfast
Indeed.
place.
When I first came here, 2 years later I've adjusted. And the pancakes are like awesome.
I wonder where our new favorite breakfast places will be.
Yeah. I think it might be in Mexico, but I'm not sure.
Camera's right here, by the way. Tell them.
Ah.
Here. Yeah.
Yeah. All gone. Just a solitary suitcase.